It is regarding one government servant by the name of KASHINATH SHETYE, who is working as a junior engineer in the electricity department. There are so many gross violations.
195 cases in 5 years, 459 leave applications. I am wondering when he was working for the government.
Okay, sir.
To the government servant, I am myself wondering.
That is what I am saying.
And it's not going to be easy for reconciliation of all these.
Goincha police naka, sir. Sir, senior officer, yeah, sagle officer, including in his department, officers, maka sang, government servant, sir, leave magta. आणि walk also VVIP government servant. खंयची एक reject ना speaker sir. I have got a full list of these applications speaker sir. सारखे गडबडीन बरयलेले आसा, कितें केल्ले आसा पळय सगळे लिस्ट आसा स्पीकर सर माझ्याकडे. टोटल आसा. एक लीव रिजेक्ट केले ना स्पीकर सर. त्यांची ऑफिसराचेर इन्क्वायरी करपाची आसा म्हाका. आणि म्हाका खंयचे पुलीस नाका, म्हाका खंयतरी IPS ऑफिसर तुवें घालपाक पडटलो स्पीकर सर.
त्यामुळे हांव खंयच्या तरी सिनियर मनशाक प्रिफरेबली फ्रॉम ऑल इंडिया कॅडर ऑफिसर ताका हे सगळे रिकन्सायल करपाक लागता विथ द एसिस्टन्स ऑफ विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट. सरकाराचेर जर तूं कितें एक्शन घेतलो जाल्यार सरकारी नोकराक एक लिमीट आसा. स्वताचे वैयक्तीक जर तूं कितें आसत जाल्यार ही डजंट हॅव टू टेक परमिशन. ह्या व्यक्तीन कितें सरकाराचें काम केलां हाजेरूय म्हाका इन्क्वायरी करूंक जाय.
There is a case where he has transferred one gun license in his name. How can a government servant without a permission? There are so many things, Speaker sir. That is one. Secondly, Speaker sir, I want to know what are the bills since he was going there. How with his salary he could manage the accommodation in various different 195 cases in 5 years. I have also got in a reply his disproportionate assets. I am going to submit all this to you, Speaker sir, but I want assurance not only in this, in every angle, Speaker sir, this has to be found out.
About disproportionate asset, I will hand over the case to anti-corruption branch, because what I find is cases may be 195, but the attendance appears to be much more. His gun license will have to be also. So I am giving you promise on gun license. I will find out whether he can hold a gun license in view of that. Number two, we will carry out disproportionate asset complaint through ACB. We will carry it out independent CCS inquiry. I cannot tell many things because you have also moved a privilege motion against the person. Yes. So some investigation is a part of privilege motion. एकूय केस डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ना.
त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ना.
त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचेर ना म्हणजे
बाकीच्यांचेर
अधिकाऱ्यांचेर ना. खरं म्हणजे दिस इटसेल्फ मेक्स अ बिग केस फॉर फायलिंग.
ह्या मनशान आमकां बिरान दाखयली म्हाका की तुझे केस घाल. हांवें घाल केस. हे 2 केस घायल्या. म्हाका बिरान दाखयली. म्हाका बिरान दाखयली की तूं विटामीन दी आनी विटामीन नासलो केस घालता.
विटामीन कसलें?
एक मिनिट मुख्यमंत्री.
मागीर हांव सांगता.
सांगता उरलो न्ही ताका.
ना सिरियस सिरियस म्हाका म्हणटा तूं अमके विटामीन दी नाजाल्यार म्हणटा तुजे केस घालता. आमी विटामीन आमी खंय दिल्ले तुका. तूं म्हण घाल केस. म्हणजे 2 केस घातल्यो. हांव म्हणटा ह्या मनशाक सस्पेंड न्हू टर्मिनेट करून भायर उडोवपाचो. मुगो या सारकें म्हणजे 2 केस केल्ल्या.
ताका खबर ना की चर्चिलूच सद्या विटामीन एम सोंपता म्हणून.
स्पीकर सर हेका लागून हे ऑफिसरांक सस्पेंड करपाक जायना. कित्याक तो ऑफिसरांक भिरांत दाखयता देखून ते ऑफिसर पळय ताका लीव दिवपाक.